Hi guys, I'm having pasta for dinner tonight. I thought I'd show you how I'm going to make it. I've got some penne pasta on the boil, got some red onion, got some red pepper and tomato, some broccoli, and I'm going to just add in some garlic infused olive oil. So a nice glug of olive oil. I'll use that all up. Spin round, and just going to lower the heat on that. And add in the broccoli. Also going to add in the red onion. That's all added in, give it a stir. And I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm back. So the broccoli and the red onion are cooking nicely, and I've drained off the pasta, and I also remembered to reserve some of the water to just add to the sauce. And I'm just going to add in now the peppers and the tomato. I think I'm just going to add some of the pasta water. Just going to let that simmer down for a couple of minutes. And I will be back to put in the pasta, and then we should be ready to plate up. So I've just added in a touch of tomato puree, some pepper and some garlic granules. I don't tend to add salt to my dinner an awful lot. I will with curries because it definitely needs it, but things like this I tend to try and cook without salt, and then if I want it afterwards I'll add it. So I think I'm going to add the penne pasta now. Just going to turn up the heat just a little bit. Give it a bit more of a stir. And I'll be ready to plate up in a couple of minutes, I think. See you in a moment. So I've just plated up, and as you can see, it's looking very colourful. I've put some Parmesan cheese on, and as you can see here, I've got a nice healthy portion still left, which I may well have for my dinner tomorrow, as I've got a late shift at work. So I will do a quick taste test. Try and get a bit of broccoli there. Yep, that's good. Nice and juicy. Glad I remembered to save the pasta water for a bit of sauce. Not too dry. Should I add salt? I could do, but I don't think I will. I'm very happy with that. Bon appetit, everybody.